What's up, Homestead Handyman here. Another project on the RV. What we got here is the bathroom sink, and it's been in there since the thing was built, and so I'm going to replace it. You can see there that it just has a stopper, and that's it. Now it has a different kind of plumbing than your standard house. Let's have a look underneath. Let's move you down here until you can see. See, it has this tail piece here that's glued on to the sink, and then it goes into your P-trap. Now that is a rather abnormal kind of way to do things, so I had to get a special sink to do it. Couldn't just buy any sink, so I had to get a special RV sink. Well, I'm going to start ripping this thing out of here. Let's have a look up in here. And there's a bracket that holds it in place, and there's 4 of them there. Then I'll take that out. Should be relatively easy, except it's a very tight spot. There's the other one, and then on the other side there's 2 more. So let's get those out of there. It's very helpful actually to have the camera here, because now I can see what's in there without trying to lay on the ground and get my head in there, because there's just no room in here. Alright, let me get those tabs out of there. And looks like I'll just have to loosen them up and pop the sink out. Alright, let's get rolling. Okay, so I hit a little snafu. I loosened those 4 tabs and tried to pop the sink up. You can see right here that it has some adhesive goo in there that I will have to clean all up. However, there's a conflict right there that it cannot lift up all the way up to get it out of the trap. So what I have to do is pull the faucet out in order to replace the sink. Okay, let me get started. There's 2 nuts underneath that I need to release the unit with, and then 2 nuts that are the water connections. Let's see if we can get a look up underneath there, and I can show you. There you go. That's the setup right there. So I need to release the nuts, and let me see if I can show you. Oh yeah, right there. Release this nut and the hot one, and then above that is another one right here. This black one up there above it that you unscrew, and that will take the faucet off. Okay, so it pulled right out of there. Now I have to clean all this goop out. There's the 2 fill lines, and there's the hole back there for the faucet, and so I'll probably clean all this up while I have it out, since it's such a tight area. Maybe recaulk along here on both sides, and get this sink ready to go. Let me just show you this here. Let me bring this up over here, and you can see how this is attached. It's just glued right onto there. Now I found the sink that's identical to this, and I have to glue the piece on there. So there you go. Let me get rolling. Okay, I got the new one installed there. What I'm opting to do, instead of use silicone, because it's very hard to get in there, is I'm using plumber's putty, making a little snake of it, fitting it up underneath the sink, and then when I pull it down, it'll compress it and just keep any water from seeping underneath there when you're cleaning up. Okay, so I tightened all the bolts going around for the 4 corner wings. I've caulked all the way around, cleaned up the faucet, and everything looks nice. It has the drain that will fit right in there, and then underneath I've put the trap back together, all the lines all hooked up again, and there is the completed job. So you can see it's pretty easy to put a sink in an RV. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Homestead Handyman, out. Please like, subscribe, and give me the old thumbs up.